You're welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to navigate the Soneium Testnet. And I want to assure you that this video is going to be the simplest and most explainer video that you are going to see on this very topic on the internet. Let's head straight to the point. I am going to make use of Mrs. Browser. So you open, the first thing you are going to do is to add MINATO network to your wallet. You click there, then you click on add network. Click on add a network manually. Then you input network name, MINATO, RPC, all this, as you can see it here, you can screenshot it, you click on save. Then switch to MINATO. Our next task is to get Sepolia Ethereum on alchemy.com. So we go to alchemy.com to get Sepolia Ethereum. And it says to prevent bot and abuse, this faucet requires a minimum Ethereum mainnet balance of 0.001 Ethereum on the wallet address being used. And when you click on this place, you see that you cannot click on it. It's not clickable. What you're going to do, click on Alchemy login. Then you put in your email address. You click on next. You might be required to perform some verifications. If this is the first time you are entering here, I performed some verifications, but there was no need showing you all these. So just perform all those verifications. They are simple to do, after which you'll be directed to the next page. Then it brings you to this. You say who is building, you click on personal and next. Then here I choose wallet. You can choose anything. You say what chains are you building on. I selected Ethereum and next. Then here you need to click on free. Choose free. Then you click on next. Here it says skip bonus. Click on skip bonus. Then click on let's build. We are done. So you can now see that this box is now clickable. The next thing we are going to do is to fund our wallet with 0.001 Ethereum on the mainnet network. So you go to your wallet, copy your Ethereum mainnet address. Then let's head straight to Binance. You click on withdraw. For you to know exactly how much Ethereum you are going to buy, you check the minimum withdrawal on the ERC20. The minimum is 0.0026 Ethereum. So let me go and click on trade, click on convert, because I have Flocky. So I want to convert Flocky to Ethereum. I search for Ethereum, then I input 0.0027, then I convert. Completed. Remember, you might have your own asset any other place. It doesn't matter. Just follow the process of funding a wallet. So I come here on the Ethereum. You can now see I have 0.0027 there. I now withdrew to my wallet I'm using for the Soneium Testnet, and after which it has landed to my wallet and I have 0.0014 Ethereum on my Ethereum mainnet wallet. Mainnet. After this, the next thing you are going to do, click on this place and change network to Sepolia. You click on Sepolia. Then now copy this wallet address of Sepolia network. Copy it and come to this place and paste. Click on this I'm not a robot. Check this box. Then click on send me Ethereum ETH. Boom. That is done. So you Now close all this, then come to your wallet. You can now see we have 0.1 Sepolia ETH. Now let's start the testing proper. You go to bridge.soneium.org and bridge your Sepolia Ethereum to MINATO Ethereum. Then you impute. You cannot use the 0.1 that they gave you. Let's say 0.02. Then you click on review deposit. I change it to 0.05. Click on review deposit. Then here you click on initiate deposit. They say you wait for like 3 minutes. You click on initiate deposit. Then you need to confirm the transaction. It's sending. Yeah, initiate deposit. Then you click on go to transactions. This is it here. Now you click on back to bridge. Remember that we bridge from Sepolia to MINATO, but now we are going to bridge back from MINATO to Sepolia. You click on this double arrow here. Then you click on switch network. Now you are going to do the same thing. This one now is withdrawal. Remember we did 0.05. You cannot use that 0.05 again, so I use 0.04. We are now withdrawing that amount. You click on initiate withdraw. Then you are going to sign or confirm the transaction. That's it. You go to transactions because we need to complete all this. You can see for you to withdraw, it says it will take up to 60 minutes. So after 60 minutes or so, you are going to see proof. Then you prove, and after clicking on proof, the next thing you are going to see is claim. You will have to claim. Once that is done, we are done. So we are going to another stage right now, which is to perform layer 3 quest. You go to app.layer3.xyz. You connect your wallet. You click on next and you confirm your wallet. Then you log in to start. You create a new account. Click on start quest. Click on GM for you to get GM streak. Then after that, you now click on start quests. Here you continue. Then you will need to join their Discord, and after which you click on verify. Then at this point you switch to ETH Mainnet. You will need around 0.0 or $0.2 worth of OP Ethereum Mainnet for you to claim this XP. So this is where we draw the curtain. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to join me on YouTube, on Twitter, and on Telegram at airdrop search.